Hi and welcome to this 2015 BMW 420d M Sport Coupe. Just arrived into John Hayes Cars in Rathmines in Dublin 6. What a fabulous looking car in white with black leather. 19-inch black alloys, fully shadow lined or de-chromed. Sun protect glass. Low mileage, it has 65,000 miles or 106,000 kilometers. Full service history from new. Blue brake calipers. It has the Pro Pack as well, so folding exterior door mirrors, upgraded Harman Kardon surround system, reverse camera. As you can see, the alloys are all in beautiful condition. Looks great with those blue calipers. M Performance kit, fully shadow lined or de-chromed, as I said. There's your folding exterior mirrors. Daytime LED, high performance running lights. Front of the bonnet, no stone chips, no scuffs, nothing like that. Nice and close up. Front left corner, again, no marks. And that fantastic looking M Performance body kit. So NCT till 0924. Show you the boot. Great addition with these, even though it's a coupe, just in case you need a bit of space. Pull here and pull here, and the rear seats do fold down on a 60-40 split. Just professionally valeted, as you can see. Rear bumper, not a mark there, no loading or marks or scratch marks or anything like that. And then that gorgeous interior. Black Dakota leather. Extendable knee support on both front seats. Rear seats are in spotless condition. Center armrest as well. Rear vents. Driver's door card. As you can see, the car has just been professionally valeted, and also there's no smells or anything like that. The car has never been smoked in. One touch to start. Service not due until December 24. And there's your mileage, 65,000 miles or 106,000 kilometers. Automatic transmission, so down for drive, up for reverse. Once you select reverse, again, part of the Pro Pack is the reverse camera. Press park, or across if you wish. You can drive it as a manual, down the gears and up the gears, or down the gears and up the gears on the paddle shift on the steering wheel. Leather bound sports multifunction steering wheel, absolutely gorgeous steering wheel to drive with. Dual zone climate control air conditioning, front heated seats, all your media and onboard computer controls are there. As I said, there's your reverse camera, there's your nav. You can download the BMW Connected Drive app, connect to the car, set the car up whatever way you wish. You can connect via Bluetooth or USB connection as well, play all your media, play your Spotify, play your music. There's the passenger door card. There's the dash, leather bound and polished aluminium. And there's your upgraded Harman Kardon surround sound system. Absolutely superb if you're into your music. Drinks holders and storage. Center armrest, USB port. Just has it all. Absolutely gorgeous car. Now I'll just show you under the bonnet. Beautifully presented, spotlessly clean, as you can see. Twin power turbo BMW. So, quick recap: 2015 BMW 420d M Sport Coupe, automatic, white with black leather, with 65,000 miles or 106,000 kilometers. Full service history from new. UNCT done, 2 keys, fully valeted, fully prepared for sale, ready to go. We do take trade-ins in John Hayes Cars, low rate finance applications as well. Very quick turnaround if you want to apply for finance. So mark us at johnhayescars.ie or 01 496 9244 or 087 9068 112. Anytime, any questions, if you give me the details of your trade-in, I'll give you a value on it across the phone. Thank you very much for watching the video.